Now, for the last exercise here, the goal was to create a ChatGPT prompt that writes an email to a colleague that you need feedback from. You need feedback on your submitted prototype, which you seem to have submitted to that colleague, until the end of the week. Now, for this exercise, for this task, I came up with this example prompt. Again, just one possible solution. Definitely also share yours. Now here in my prompt, I again, as pretty much always, I do set a role, making it clear that we're talking about writing emails here. Then I pick this role up again in my goal, where I describe the main goal of this prompt here. And then thereafter, I again add some extra context that the email should be friendly yet determined. So with that, I'm setting the tone of the target output. That ChatGPT in its result, in its output, should make it clear that the feedback is definitely needed until the end of the week. Again, highlighting the importance of this part of the goal by repeating those important keywords, end of the week. And then I also control the length of the response by making it clear that it should be a short, concise email, and I add the name of the colleague so that it can be included in the output generated by ChatGPT. If I now send this, ChatGPT goes ahead, gives me a subject even though I did not explicitly tell ChatGPT to add one, and then writes me that email. It's friendly and yet makes it very clear that I do need that feedback as soon as possible. You could say definitely until the end of the week. Now, of course, as all the results provided by ChatGPT, as mentioned earlier in the course, this is just a starting point. You can, of course, still tweak and refine it, and indeed often that is absolutely recommended. You might want to give it your own personal touch, but you can, of course, also just take it, plug in your name and send that email like this, and you saved yourself a couple of minutes of coming up with such an email yourself.